Hey guys, today we're going to be making khichdi, which is soft yellow rice. So here's how to make it. So here are the ingredients. We have some rice, coriander, cumin, and there's broccoli, chopped cauliflower, butternut squash, ginger, papaya, and vegetable oil. So let's get cooking. We use organic ingredients that you can get from Costco. So first you're gonna blend the papaya in the food processor. You can also chop it up if you don't have a food processor, that's fine too. And we like to chop it up as much as possible because I think it makes it easier to cook the khichdi, and it makes it very fine, and most of this recipe you'll see will have the papaya. So here is the chopped papaya, and we also mashed the ginger and the garlic into a separate paste to keep a creamy taste, and it doesn't have to cook it there for a long time. So now we're gonna boil some water on the stove, and we put at least 1 cup or 1 gallon, and then you can add all of the ingredients into the pot. So we usually start with I usually start with the most of the ingredient, which is the papaya, which is a very surprisingly healthy dish because most of it is actually vegetables and fruit, which I think is actually pretty cool. You can add in the broccoli, and it's a very fascinating dish because there's barely any rice in it. You'll see there's only a half cup of rice, which is awesome. And here's some cauliflower, chopped cauliflower. You can chop your ingredients if you'd like. Here is the butternut squash. I think that you can add other vegetables if you'd like, or if you have any allergies or anything like that. Just however you wanted to change it, I think that would be great. I guess recipes like this are very flexible. We have a little rice. If you want a little bit more, then you just change it based on how much papaya there is. And so now we're gonna stir it up a little bit to keep everything intact. I like how it's really tied up with a lot of ingredients and the spices and the pastes and stuff, but then once you mix it together, it's all this one amazing, pasty, yellow dish that you can serve wherever you need to. And it's actually really simple and easy and very also healthy to eat. And I think this is a great recipe if you're on a diet or something. So you're gonna add some salt. You can lessen the salt if you know. So here we go with the oil. And here are all the beautiful, colorful ingredients we have here. So now we're gonna stir it up. Soon you'll see that it will keep its yellowish color, which is actually through the color spectrum is cool. And then there's the yellow color coming in, if you see. There's lots of stuff in the pot. I suggest using a big pot if you're making a big serving, and you level the ingredients based on how much of a serving you're making. And here you go, it's forming its yellow color. And you can see some of the butternut squash, but watch as like magic, it almost turns yellow after 55 minutes or so. It depends on how much you're making. So you're stirring it up, and look at that. You can barely see the vegetables, so if you're not very appealed to vegetables, I think that's pretty interesting how you can barely see them anymore. So now we're going to use a teaspoon of ghee, which is butter, You can use butter if ghee is something that you cannot find or you don't like or whatever. You can use butter. Ghee I just find is more creamy and gives like a spark of taste to whatever you're adding it to. Very smooth texture. This is like an awesome thing that you should definitely try making at home. It's simple and everyone loves it. So here you go in a plate. You could serve this with other foods and other spices if you'd like. Khichdi is great for when your stomach is really empty. And so we hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like this video for more from our channels, and enjoy.